ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today, guys, I am showing you my July tray. So if you are interested in knowing what beauties I will be wearing for the month of July, just keep on watching. Hi family, I am so glad that you all came back. This is another episode of my trays for the month. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, comment down below, give me the thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And as you know, my returning subscribers, you know that I've been doing monthly trays so that I can give all of my fragrances some love. So this month, July, is no different. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have the new Via Belle Oui. And so this is the d'Expression. This is from Lancôme. And I just got this for my birthday. So I'm pretty excited to even try this. I have not even tested it out yet, but we will be for the month of July. And so moving on, I have the Luminous Nectar from Zara, and that is again a nectar fragrance. I haven't given it really any love, so I am excited to give it some love. Up next, we have, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty, Terra de Gioia, Giorgio. I am so glad that I have put this back on my tray for the month of July. This is such a beauty. If you don't have it, I would suggest getting it. It is definitely a very warm, yet sweet, yet very classy perfume. So we will get more into it in the month of July, but just know that needs to be on your list. So I have Miss Dior Blooming. This is a girly girl fragrance, definitely a floral, probably white florals in it. Girly girl, I'm so excited. I normally wear that to bed, so I am going to bring her back out for this season. And so next up, Musc Noir Rose. This is from Narciso Rodriguez for her. This is a new beauty in my collection. I've been hearing so much about it. I just had to get it, and I got it for my birthday, from myself to myself. So I'm excited to try that out. So again, you'll hear more about it this month, but I have not. Candy Festival, we talked about it in my past review. Honey, that is a Zara fragrance that just is just like candy. And Marshmallow Addiction does not give you that marshmallowy feel, but it is still a great beauty, and I'm excited to wear that for this month. Next, I have Indigo Nest. So that is a clean brand fragrance. If you like a berry sweet but still classy fragrance, not doing too much, I would highly suggest that. I'm bringing out all Zara this month for July. I have Red Temptation, which is a dupe, and it's actually a really good dupe for Baccarat 540. So if you have it, great. If you don't, I would suggest getting it. It's definitely less than the price you would pay for a Baccarat, but still gives you that same vibe. It is a great dupe. There are so many dupes, but I would say that Red Temptation is amongst the top dupes, in my opinion. Okay. And so next, I am going to bring out Miss Pink Sugar. I just thought I would bring her out for like light days, kind of get up and go, but I just want to be like pretty. I'm just feeling like the pretty girl fragrances this month for July. Then I have Valentino, Donna, born in Roma. Again, once I get rid of that one, which I'm going to try to get rid of that for July, I'm going to get a bigger bottle. If you don't have that, that is sexiness in a bottle. Okay, enough said. So we have Gucci Flora, Gorgeous Gardenia. I love it. I mean, this is not a long lasting fragrance on me. However, the smell is just so beautiful, and it gives me the vibe of pretty girl fragrance that I'm going for the month of July. Then up next, I have Ebony Woods, another Zara fragrance. Very good. So if I'm wanting to go to a concert, if I'm wanting to have like a day date, even sometimes a night date, I'm going to put Miss Ebony Woods on for the month of July. I'm going to bring back Juliette Has a Gun, Pear Inc. If you are into pear fragrances, but you don't like the real sweeter than sweet fragrances, I would highly suggest that. This one is a good one. It still gives you that pear fragrance without it being like, if you would imagine like maybe juvenile or something like that, or too sweet for your taste. Highly would suggest that. My scent of the day I wore today is Holidays, which is a coconut. To me, it gives me creamy coconut, long lasting. I still smell it. Still smelling good. And I actually paired it with like a good old body butter, and we'll get into that later of what I paired with that. But let's just say honey was smelling really good today. Well, every day. But I have Jo Malone Wild Bluebell. Again, it's another kind of a blueberry fragrance scent, but it gives me a more fresh. So it's on the fresh side. It gives me more airy, more breathable, light, very light, but beautiful. So gonna be rocking that. And you know what? She is a new bottle. Well, this is not a new bottle. Excuse me. There is a new bottle of her, but I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. Ha! Yes, this is my Killian. We thought that it was going away, right? Fragrance community. We thought it was going to be discontinued, but it just actually changed the bottle. Okay. But I'm going to be wearing that. That is a sweet, again, girly, but this is like, gives me sexy girly. So I'm excited to wear her. And again, you'll hear more about these fragrances throughout the month of July, I promise. Bath and Body Works, Perfect Peony. So when I want a floral scent, that's where I'm going to go. And then I have Saltwater Breeze. That's Bath and Body Works as well. When I want to have like a salty beach, on the beach fragrance, I'm going to reach for her. And then I have my love-hate relationship of Chance Oh So Fresh. I'm going to bring her back out. I think I also really want to give my fresh fragrances that I don't give as much love to. I want to bring those back out. So I brought that out. I also have Tiffany Love. This is a beauty. To me, it gives me out of the shower, in the sheets, like just a very casual, breezy day. Simple day. If you have a simple day, but you want to smell just like perfection, I would highly suggest that. And then I also have Blackberry Lily, the 7 Virtues. That was a part of my top fruity for the summer recommendations. And so I'm going to be wearing that for the month of July. Very good. And last, but certainly not least, honey, I'm bringing out Imaginary Authors. If you haven't heard of this, highly would suggest getting your hands on this. A whiff of a waffle cone. Honey, this smells like an ice cream shop. This is like Imaginary Authors. Look at that. Vanilla, heavy cream, salty caramel. Like, look, honey, ice cream scoop. Look, get this. I mean, if you are into those type of fragrances like moi, if you are into a nice gourmand, smelling like a cookie cake, ice cream, chocolate on top of chocolate, straw, if you are into gourmand fragrances, I would highly suggest getting your nose on that. And guys, that is it for my tray. I had to run this down really quick. Like I said, I am preparing to be on this road tomorrow early morning, and I wanted to make sure that you all saw before I left what's going to be on my tray. I'm excited. We will definitely go in depth on these fragrances. If there's anything that you want me to maybe focus more on in a review, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. I will definitely let you know details, longevity, smell notes. I will let you know all the tea, family. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for supporting me. I just love it all. Until next time, you all be safe, be blessed, have a great 4th of July weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, family.